Carefully I come into frame. So everybody, 12 Gauge Ninja here. Hi Scout, get away. So today, I am making my own video. Once again, because I'm feeling better. Not great, but better. So today, I'm going to be, you can't see what I'm doing, but I am making HelloFresh, like I've done in the past. And so, in doing that, I'm going to be doing some things. Also, Hannah, would you like to tell everybody what we got?
We got a Roomba!
That's where her attention is.
We got a Roomba and Nova hates it.
That's true.
But she's learning. We're giving her treats when it comes out so she thinks it's a good thing.
In the meantime, I'm definitely not getting distracted by it myself, and I am cooking. That being said,
But when it poops, he will have to drop everything to watch it poop.
we'll know.
This is what we're doing with our life now. Sitting in a chair, watching the Roomba. Literally, just watching the Roomba.
It's so cool!
I mean, like, I'm not kidding you. There's a TV. There's other stuff. There's other places to sit. Our dogs are outside, and we are literally sitting here watching the Roomba. Like we're in a stadium.
It's so cool!
So, fun fact, we found out that we have no salt, we have hardly any pepper, we have next to no dog food, which is a side note, not putting it in our food, we just give it to our dogs. But, yeah, so that's the thing.
Maybe I'll have a YouTube video just about following the Roomba around. What will it do next? Our Roomba's name is Wally. Because we're also going to get a mop.
In a couple of months, we'll get the mop one and we're gonna name it Eva. Because they're white and this one's black.
Wally's orange.
Yeah, but Eva's white.
So, scrounged up some of this here old hot water from our hot water dispenser. And we're waiting for it to be hotter water for the noodles. We're making this. Literally, this isn't even a joke. This isn't a bit. This is what she's doing with avid interest.
You know how long I've wanted a Roomba?
A bit, I know.
Since they came out invented.
What?
It's Friday. I'm tired.
What?
Brain tired!
Hey, no more distractions. I'm not watching that Roomba anymore.
Yep. Wow, look how long my legs look. Oh my god. It looks so long. Oh, this is what it'd be like if I were a normal human.
That dog does not like it. Sucks, Dad. I hate that stupid thing. So, cut mushrooms. Feeling good. What's that I hear?
Look at how long my legs look. Oh yeah, the Roomba's still doing stuff too. Right there. Yep.
Cooking more. Cool. More jobbing. So, I've learned all about being safe this week, as in I'm not going to do dangerous things anymore, and I'm going to be very careful to watch myself all the time from now on. Okay, how is this now more boring than watching a Roomba? Why am I bored doing this? Why? Why do I actively want to watch the Roomba? I am not going to watch the Roomba. I am going to cook. I'm going to focus on cooking. I'm not going to stray away, and I'm not going to waste time doing nothing, mind you, doing nothing. Just sitting and watching the Roomba. Why do I I want to watch the Roomba so bad. Hannah, I can't stop myself. What's it doing? What's it been doing? Tell me everything.
It went under the table and it
What?
got tangled in the cords.
What?
Yeah.
What? What? That's amazing. I love it. Let's give all of our money to it.
Aren't you glad I bought one?
It's really cool. Why? Why am I so invested in this? Alright, so, completely forgot to make dinner. We watched the Roomba, so we're gonna order something, cause, you know, Roomba, we literally, honestly can't even waste any more time.
We have to have all of our household chores prepared by robots.
Let's go, we're missing stuff, so, love you guys are great.
Bye!
It's gonna poop! Go.
Okay,
Go,
so
buddy. Go on, buddy. You can do it. I believe in you.
Scott also believes in you.
Come on. Go home. Go home. Oh my God. Yes!
Yay!
It did it! Whoa. That is some suction!